Hello everyone, welcome to learn SAP-FICO. Friends, today we will learn about cash journal. What is cash journal or petty cash? Cash journal is used to manage company's cash transactions. It represents the cashier balance. Cash journal document post automatically. As many cashiers, same cash journal document should be created. Amount limit will not work in TDS implement countries. First of all, we will create few GLs in SAP under the T code FS00 as we created earlier. Here I have created few more GLs. I'll show you the configurations. Here we'll give a GL number, GL account number, company code. Under type and description data, first of all we will give account group, cash balance, and under account groups we will select balance sheet account. Description, we will give short description, cash journal account, and long description for your GL account, cash journal account for Tata. Under control data, we will select INR currency for India. Only balance in local currency, we will click on it and click on line item display and give sort key 001. Under create bank and interest tab, we will select the field status group G005 or you can select G001. Click on post automatically only. Here we have need to click because it post automatically by the system. Click on relevant to cash flow, then click on save. So like this you can create cash journal GL. Another is incoming bank GL. Here we will give the GL account number, company code. Under type and description, we will select bank. From this bank account group, we have to take the GL account number. Then select balance sheet account. Here we will give short description. Here we will give long description, SBI incoming bank. Give control data, click on control data, then give INR currency for India, then only balance in local currency, click here. After that, click on open item management. Open item management we will choose in those entry which we have to nullify in future. So click on line item display also, then give sort key 001. Under create bank and interest, give the field status group G005, then click on relevant to cash flow, then click on save. Like this you can create incoming bank GL also. Double click on outgoing bank which we have created earlier. Here I need to add one option. Under control data, we have to click on open item management. It is not in editable mode because we have created earlier. So I will click on this change or edit option. Now it is in editable mode and click here also because outgoing bank GLs also we have to nullify in the future. Then click on save. Enter. So like this we have created few more GLs. Now we'll get back to the presentation. First step is define document number range intervals for cash journal document. Always set as 01 document number range under the T code FBCJC1. Document has two types in a cash journal. First is FI document number, which system pick the document number from the document type. Another is cash journal document number, which we define the number series in FBCJ7. So now we will define document number range Under the T code, FBCJC1. Here we have to put first /O because we are in SPRO screen. Then write FBCJC1. Now here we will give first company code. Then click on this edit intervals or change intervals. Here we will give the number range 01. Then give number series. Then click on save. We'll get back to the presentation. Now second step is set up cash journal. In this step we create the cash journal and define the control parameters of cash journal under the T code FBCJC0. Here we will give the T code FBCJC0. Now we will create cash journal. Click on new entries, give company code. Here we will give a number for cash journal CJT1. Here we will assign the cash journal, press F4 key which we have created now. Enter. Select the cash journal account for Tata. Here we will give currency INR. Now here we have to assign the document type for GL. I am assigning AB. Then now here we have to assign the document type for vendor payment. Vendor payment document type is KZ. Again we will give KZ for document vendor type. Here we have to assign the document for customer payment. So customer payment document type is DZ. Again DZ for customer payment. Now here we have to give the name for cash journal. Cash journal for Tata. Now click on save. Enter. Enter. Now you have defined the cash journal. Now we'll move to the presentation. Next step is create, change, bank and delete business transaction under the T code FBCJC2. In this step we create the business transaction to be posted through cash journal. Run the T code FBCJC2. Here click on new entries. Give the company code. Now we will select the business transaction type. Press F4 key to see the list. Here C for receipt from bank account, B for payment to bank account, R for revenues, E for expenses, and D for customer postings, and K for vendor posting. I am selecting first one, receipt from bank accounts. Here we will assign the GL account for C, receipt for bank accounts. Press enter. Here we will give the GL number, outgoing GL number. Now we will give the name for cash journal business transaction C. Cash transfers from bank. Now there is two scenarios. We can freeze this GL number with the business transaction C, or we can click here on account modification so that we can change at the time of editing or entering the GL. So here I am removing this number because I am freezing this GL account number with C business transaction. Now move to create another business transaction. Here I am giving B and I am assigning the GL. Press F4 key, enter. incoming bank. Here I have to give the name for cash journal business transaction, cash transfers, to bank. Now we will create new. Here I am assigning e-business transaction. Here I am not giving any GL account number. I am just giving the description, other expenses. Here I am clicking on account modification so that I can give or added the GL account number at the time of entering the GL in cash journal. Now again for R, for revenues, here I am giving the short description, and the revenues. I am clicking on this account modification so that I can enter the GL account number at the time of entering the GL in cash journal. So like this we can assign the GLs with business transactions. Now click on save. It is also exists with the same name, so I am just entering. Enter. Data was saved.